Hello everyone, welcome. And today I am going to talk about Crocoblock, which is a premium add-on for Elementor that gives you, oh my god, amazing capabilities. So this is the plugin I want to talk about. Christy, I don't know if you are into WordPress and Elementor, how technical you are. I know that you are a great illustrator. Guys, she has a video posted where she's doing illustrations. It was so good. You're very talented. I cannot even draw a straight line. You're great. You're amazing. But I can do WordPress and other stuff, technical stuff. So today I'm going to talk about this amazing plugin, which is, it is not a sponsored post, as I said, or anything, but it is very powerful. And here is... you see, it's like an overview. You're welcome, Christy. You're welcome. You see an overview of the things you can do. Let me see. It was you click here, this button, not this one. See Jet plugins in action. So there's one specific that I want to try. So must have design widgets. You have design widgets. I'm just scrolling with a mouse and it's the slider is working. Hotspots here, you see the hotspots, interactive visual effects, dynamic content for Elementor and Gutenberg. It has some compatibility with Gutenberg. By the way, I'm using also my camera, my Sony camera. Last time I tried to do that as a webcam, I didn't plug it on the correct USB slot, so it was not charging at the same time. So if I go black, that means that the battery has died, and I'm going to continue another day. But it seems that it's working so far, so we will see. So it has a lot of extra plugins and add-ons, not plugins, add-ons to do things. And there is a certain function that I want to try, and I'm just going to go to my website. This is my website, and this is where I go for my tests. Okay, so it is okay as it is now, yeah. We have some black background there, but okay, what can we do? Now, I want to do something. Crocoblock gives you the option to create a sliders, carousels, whatever. And carousels, they usually consist of an image and some text. But what is cool about Crocoblock, because I have done it on a website, is that you can create a template. Like you can create whatever you want, a page, something, and you can put that inside the carousel. How cool is that? So I'm going to try that. So I guess in order to do that, I'm going to create a page. I think I tried it with a section, but I figured I tried making a template as a section template, but it appeared to work better if I had a page as a template instead of a section. So what I'm going to do then, I'm going to go to Elementor and templates and saved templates, shitloads of templates that, it's tests and everything you see here. You see that GX template here. GX stands for Grimskull and Xanthi, my name. So Grimskull is another YouTuber, streamer, and we have joined forces to create. He's a designer, I am the builder, we have joined forces to create some layouts, and we want to do something, and that's why I want to use this function. So yeah, I'm going to go to page and I'm going to create add new, and I'm going to enter that Croco slider. It has a weird name, Crocoblock, but okay, that's how they're called. And I want an empty canvas. I don't want a footer or a header, so I'm going to go here to the settings, and on the page layout I'm going to select Elementor canvas. I'm going to put OBS here, yeah. And there, now I can build whatever I want. I'm just going to build something. Let's put that. Let's say we want something like that. Now, as I said, I'm not the designer. I am not a designer. I'm just a builder, creator, developer, you know, whatever. So I'm just gonna build stuff. I'm gonna put a spacer here, and I'm gonna put a background style here. I'm gonna put a gradient. You know, Grimskull, I hope it's not too much cringe for you if you see the replay. Yeah. Let's put some pink and purple. Yeah. So no, this is spacer. I wanted to, it's very sensitive. So I'm going to make it like that. And I want something else. Let's see if I can achieve that somehow. Background border. Yes, I want border radius. I want to have, like, we're going back to the 90s or, you know, early zeros. Gradient and rounded corners. But it seems like it has come back in a way, that trend. Correct me if I'm wrong. So you see, you don't see it very well, but there it is. Maybe I put some more bits, more bold. Put 30. Yes, there it is now. That. And here, I'm just gonna put some text. With the text color, it's good if it's dark. And now let's see, I'm gonna do something fancy. Those things, of course, what I'm going to make now, it doesn't mean that it's going to work instantly as like a certain layout. It's just sometimes it needs some adjustment once you bring the template inside your carousel or slider. I will show you. We might need to adjust a bit some paddings and margins, you know. So yeah, what I want to do here, I'm going to put that on the vertical aligned middle. And do we want the text to overlap? Let's make it overlap. I don't know. I'm just thinking here. And by that, I mean, I'm going to put, this is now, it's dangerous to do those things. But okay, I'm going to do that. Let's say that I want to do that. But I'm going to put some padding. Put more. 100, yes. And I'm going to put some more text here just because, you know, why not? We need some more words here. There it is. Hi, Grimskull. No Facebook. Hi, no Facebook, only YouTube. I'm doing design here. What I'm doing is I'm going to make something, a template, that it can be used inside a slider, you know, wink, wink, something. So I'm just making something what I think would be fancy, I guess. So don't cringe if you don't like the design. It's just some stuff. Let's say that this is something here. And let's say that on the bottom we have a heading here. Like this. Yeah, about that hang for a day. Yeah, I'm just testing. That's the function in general. I'm hanging for a day or 2 or 3 or a week. Let's put a button here. Why not? Okay, yeah, sorry, my English. You have to teach me everyday language, American slang. Well, now you break those boundaries. No, I break those. What boundaries? What are you talking about? Oh, the boundaries. Oh my God, you know, I'm not following. I feel very stupid right now. The boundaries of not streaming on Facebook. I don't know. Ignore me, Grimskull. Derek, sorry. Say whatever you want. The overlapping text. Yeah. Are you still my friend? Now I'm with you. Are you still my friend? Because I would like to still be friends, but you know, I'm just doing something to see how it's going to react in real life. So this one, I'm just doing stuff. As I said, guys, this person, Grimskull, he's a designer. So whatever he says, I'm doing. Like what I'm doing has nothing to do with design. It's just elements, me putting together stuff. So let's say, okay, now I have made something, right? And I'm going to publish it. Yes, it is good to break boundaries with a text. Okay, now I'm following. Thank you. So we're still friends. Yes. Okay, we're still friends. Yes. Can I admit something? This kind of, you have an image and there is text. I have seen it a lot on Squarespace. I have been talking a lot about Squarespace lately. I'm not cheating on WordPress. So I'm not cheating on WordPress. I'm still WordPress fanatic and fan and Elementor fangirl and everything. But just think of it that I'm trying a few things here and there. Some things from other platforms are good. And when I see that something is good, I would like to talk about it. So yeah, I am impressed about a few things about Squarespace. They have nice designs. And they do have that image with a text on top, But yeah. So I got the inspiration here. Now, that doesn't look very good as it is here. But okay, yeah. This text here, we need some padding on top also, right? And let's put 50 here and 50 here. Maybe something like this. And maybe like this. Looks better. I don't know. Anyway, update. Now. So we have this template now. And I'm going to go to view page. Well, it's just a template. Elementor library, Croco slider. So we have that. Croco slider. Interesting. Yeah, okay, that's the name I gave it. Exactly. So that I don't lose it. So now I'm going to make a new page. Let's make a new page. And this is test Croco slider. It's not a crocodile. I don't know why they call it Crocoblock. Does it mean something else in English? I don't know. I'm gonna publish it, but I'm gonna edit it with Elementor. I think you can just go directly with Elementor. Anyway. So now, yeah, I'm gonna make it empty. Well, it doesn't matter. Let's say that this is my website and I want to put, let's see if that template is here. Croco slider, it's there. Okay. Now, where I want to use it, I'm gonna go to the Crocoblock elements here on the bottom. And let's see, advanced carousel. I have to remember which one it is. Maybe it's advanced carousel. Let's see, item 1, content type. Yes, there it is. So you see you have the carousel, okay, and you can have white item. Do I have 3? Yeah. And here I can have the settings, slides to show 4. What is it? How many? Yeah, we have, oh, no, let's say 3. So we can have the scrolling effect. So, hello, amazing Peter Gaming. Hi, welcome. So now I'm gonna fix the first, this one. I don't want a default. By default, it means that you upload your own image and you put your own description. I want a template. And I'm gonna choose a template. And I'm gonna type here Croco slider page. Let's see what happens. Oh, we need to adjust it a bit. Yeah, it needs to be slides to show 1. Since it was a page, it takes the whole screen. So here it is. and slide. I don't want the picture. We'll take that away. So you see what happened here? Hi, Dr. Energy. Hi, welcome guys. Welcome everyone. So Grimskull, do you see what is happening here? Do you see? So what I did now, I created a template and I made a carousel and I called this template inside this carousel instead of just putting an image. And by template, I mean I created a page, something. You could make whatever kind of page you want. You can put whatever elements. Do I need a pop filter? Yes, you are seeing, good. So we can create whatever we want. And this is a slider and, we slide. So success, right? Success. Now, the thing is, ideally, let's say we want to additional options. Effect, scroll, slide, fade. Yeah, something nice that the actual website they have here is that you scroll with a button. You scroll, I'm here with this, with the mouse wheel. And instead of going vertical, it goes horizontal. It scrolls, that is interesting. Of course, there's some settings somewhere that allow you to do that. Is it on the settings? Equal columns height, fluid columns width, link title, items layout, simple banners. Show dots navigation, show fraction navigation. The fraction is 1 out of 2. We don't want that. Or maybe, well, depending if you want to have that or dots. Additional options, pause and hover, autoplay. No, infinite loop, yes. Center mode. No, we don't want center mode. I guess. Full screen. Carousel arrows. Vertical position. This is something I need to Google now. I don't know how it is done, to be honest. The navigation, jet advanced, maybe it's something here. Use order, use flex, dynamic visibility, visible conditions, show element if condition. Okay, we don't want dynamic. We just want it to. Jet pop-up, jet tricks, parallax, satellite, tooltip. The satellite is what effect? I don't remember. Is it kind of moving but not moving type text? Okay. Motion effects, scrolling effects, vertical scroll, horizontal scroll. Maybe is that you? Oh. I thought that carousel was by default horizontal. Yes, maybe it is. I mean, on the phone, yeah, you just do it like that, horizontal. Maybe it is if it's a carousel. It's just that I haven't noticed. That is interesting here. Dr. Energy, probably. I mean, even I have made a carousel recently and, I was scrolling and it was just scrolling down the page. So maybe it's some, I don't know. Maybe you're right. Maybe, yeah, yes. Isn't the carousel, I think, that goes round and round? Sorry, how to, yes, it does. I'm getting dizzy here. So, but you see, Grimskull, you see, guys, this is very interesting. Speed, viewport, and I don't know if I do that. I mean, I guess it depends if it's something longer. Horizontal scroll. Let's see if it is as easy as just, a matter of putting it. Let's put a few of the same. I'm just going to make another one. I'm going to remove that. So now we have 2 of those, like that. I'm going to take away motion effects, horizontal, direction to left, to right, speed. Let's see, is that fast? But I don't want it to move. I'm gonna take that away for now. And let's say I want to update it, okay? So you like the way I pronounced Grimskull? She makes it sound so interesting. Okay. Thank you, I guess. Me and my Greek accent. Wait, let me see the chat. Hi, but it is Elementor. Do you have Elementor, Amazing Peter Gaming? Grimskull, yes, mobile screens. No, I saw it. Let's see. Well, we can just test it here. Okay, yeah, it needs some adjustment. I guess the padding that I gave it to move it, it doesn't work very well, but it can be adjusted for the mobile screens. Yes, say yes, Amazing Peter, that you're using Elementor. There is a reason. So let me go. Is this page now live? What was the name of the page? Test Croco Slider. I'm just gonna go to my website then, here on my phone. Hi. Access designs. And it is test Croco. Why don't I put it on the chat? Anyway, slider. Why isn't it there? What have I done wrong here? View page. I never heard of Elementor before. I was you, Xanthi. Okay. Do you want to start using Elementor? Okay, I see it here, but I cannot see it on my phone. Test Croco Slider. Who knows what is wrong here? Maybe something is wrong. You don't have time to make what? Oh yeah, I mean, okay, that was not. It was not if you were making websites. Don't worry. We are looking for a guinea. Is that correct to say guinea pig? Is it okay if I say Grimskull? So I cannot see it on my phone, which is weird. I have no explanation as to why I cannot see the page here, but okay. Nonetheless, if we go mobile, see if I'm scrolling, but now I'm inside Elementor, of course, like the Elementor editor. It doesn't scroll horizontally. So if I drag and drop it here with the mouse, of course it does it. So how do you scroll? You're not seeing the screen. I meant this. I have it here, but it just scrolls vertically regularly. And if I click, of course, here, the arrows, it will go. So on the phone, it works, right? It does work. But how are they doing it here? But it looks like this is a progress bar. It looks also even like a timeline. You know, timeline. If I go here and I add not the template, let's put something else here, and I go and I search widget horizontal timeline. Maybe that is the solution. I'm not calling you a pig, no. Guinea pigs, they're cute, right? So, okay, let's put a bunch and show image, point, icon, text. See here, I mean, here you just have to work with those things. I don't think it's that. Let me see. No, the scrolling is here. I mean, it's definitely, there is definitely some code snippet somewhere that you can put on the website to allow you horizontal scrolling. But I'm gonna have to do some reading, some Googling to see if there is a function with Elementor that it's just a matter of unlocking it and doing it. So yeah, actually this is what I wanted to try, and I wanted to show you that Crocobloc is very cool in the sense that you can create a slide, well, a carousel with a template that, like, you can create whatever you want. You can make a page, you can make something, images, text, videos, buttons here, a form, whatever. Save it as a template and put it as part of a carousel. So not just an image. It's not a good idea to have a lot of things inside a carousel, but you know, for the sake of design something fancy and unique, you can do that. And I don't think it's possible with just Elementor, like, you know, the standard Elementor add-ons, but it's possible with Crocobloc, and I really like it. I really like it. Yeah, I am now. I'm thinking about it now, so I have to Google it. If I cannot find the solution, I will not figure it out. But besides carousel, we have a slider. Maybe the slider. Well, it's image, carousel, slider. We have a slider. Let's try that. I put it inside the same section. So yeah, this is just a regular slider. I don't think those have templates. You can do also the template on the slider. I mean, I want to see if there's any difference. You see, are you looking? On that Crocobloc website, it looks like you're scrolling down. It scrolls sideways instead. Looks great. Yes, that exactly that. That is what I would like to achieve. It is. It's a cool effect, I guess. You know, for certain purposes. So why not? So there it is. I mean, you can put it here as well. Okay, you have a background if you want or not. I'm taking it away. It has a purple background. Let me put my own background. Background type overlay. It has that. If I put dark gray. Didn't change it. Where is it? Icon, full screen, icon color, icon background color. Isn't this supposed to be content wrapper? Which one is the... Nope, not this one. There it is. It is that, and it's a combination of that. Okay. Well, but where is that purple coming from? From the template? Somewhere I have it, that it's overruling. Who knows? Who knows? Content. I can increase the height here. Okay. Where is that purple coming from? It's not gone. It's not gone. The wrapper is, it went black. Where? I cannot. Okay, sometimes Elementor is driving me crazy, but okay. Sorry, I missed it, but what have you learned about live streaming in the past 6 months? And congrats on this milestone on next. Thank you so much. Oh, what I have learned. What I have learned is that I haven't learned much, really. What I have learned is that it's just scratching the surface, and that by every stream, I realized, damn it, I made that mistake. And every time you just trying to improve myself. I have learned that I actually enjoy it a lot, and the initial fear is just silly, and it has to do a lot with our own insecurities about in general our personality. But this is more like on a personal level. It is my stream title. Okay. Then it is I have to edit it afterwards. Good that you're telling me, because I need to fix it. It is one thing I don't like about Restream is that, but it is not the current live stream title. I didn't have a title. I didn't even. What I have learned is that I make mistakes all the time, like this one. So yeah, we can agree on that. Well, I have learned some technical things, like, which, where am I? Where are you? There it is. You were wondering about the stream title. Yes, this is something that I should have learned by now. Don't forget about your titles and, the description. But it is a lot of things that one needs to pay attention to before the stream. It's not... Well, of course, it's just turn on the camera and go live, but the titles, the thumbnail, the description, if you want people to to engage, and yes, the interaction with the viewer is so much fun. What we're doing here now, this is the best part, and even though I'm always ending up being distracted by you guys, this is the most fun part, and I make mistakes all the time. But live streaming is it is a process. And 6 months is just testing the water. Testing the water? What is the expression? Just getting a taste of it. It is cool. It is cool. The interaction, it is with the chat, it is the top thing. And I guess that's the point of going live. Having something to say and share with the world. And also the interaction to get the feedback, the back and forth. This is great. It is great. Yeah. I don't know. I haven't learned much yet, obviously, since I'm still making the same new mistakes. But yeah, I'm going to continue doing that. Not 3 times a week as I did originally for the 6 months, but I'm going to do also a lot of recorded content, because I want some videos that, that are better for the viewers to rewatch. Of course, the replay of a live stream can be fun, but I want to give some value in the sense of tutorials or vlogs, something that is, edited and easy, faster to consume. Yeah. And have the live stream for, when we want to hang out and have fun. Yes, exactly. Your type of content is great for videos, but it's difficult for live streaming because distraction. That is the main reason why I decided that, okay, I have to make some recorded videos, because the distractions are fun when they're happening because we're interacting. But for the replay, it's not as good. So recorded videos. I mean, I'm gonna probably make what I did here, showing you how to make a template and using it in Crocoblock in a slider or a carousel. I can make like a 5 minutes video later on with the correct title this time, not a title, yeah. So that people can have it easier, easier for people to consume. Yeah. So, but that's it for tonight, guys and girls. I don't have any girls now in the chat, but hopefully someone woman is going to watch the replay and say hi. If you have any questions about websites, maintenance, building, Elementor, WordPress, Crocobloc, let me know in the comments, and go to my website if you want to learn more about. I have blog posts also about websites, and all my live streams are there. More information about me, you can go there. Of course, join us at the Creator Guild.app. Are those links? The Creator Toolkit.com it's valid. The Creator Guild app, it is valid as well, isn't it? Join us there. We all hang out there, and we're talking about creating content and live streaming and everything. If you have questions, we will help you. It's the community created by David Foster. And of course, subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends. If you know someone that is into WordPress and Elementor and you think it will bring value, it will mean the world if you could share my content with them. You have found that viewers on YouTube are really impatient. They want to see quick tutorials and will skip if there's too much talk in the video. Yes, me too. I mean, I'm guilty. If I want to find a tutorial, if I'm searching for something, of course I don't want someone to, if I want to see a tutorial, I'm expecting it to be a tutorial. So I'm not going to name this live stream afterwards a tutorial. I'm going to name it live session, me trying out something, in Crocobloc. You are exactly right. I agree. And thank you so much, Peter. Thank you for joining. Thank you, Dr. Energy Grimskull. Thank you, everyone, for joining. It means a lot to me that I get to see you here and you get to interact with me. So stay tuned. Next live is programmed, scheduled for Friday. So have a good day, afternoon, evening, morning, whatever, and see you on the interwebs. Bye-bye.